After removing the cover, unplug the cable on the Android board. Unplug the power cord. Unplug the power cable of the touchpad. Unplug the touchpad cable. Open the buckle first. Then pull it out. Pull out the power supply of the high voltage control board. The plug below is also pulled out. Unscrew the 6 screws that fix the screen. Then remove the screen module. Unscrew the 12 small screws. Notice there are 2 buckles. Clamp it and take it out. Remove the power plug. Recessed metal face down. The metal side is facing down on the back. Then plug it into this slot. And then we put on the sheet metal cover. Run the thread through this hole. This thread also goes through this hole. After buckling, this side. Buckle open. Then insert it in parallel. Plug it into the head. This must be plugged tightly. Put it back on. Don't bend this. Open the buckle first. Plug it in parallel. Don't bend. And then this is the signal output line. There are small green dots, not on the back. The little green dot is on the left. Then plug in the cable tightly. Pull it out. Then plug it into the 5 volts interface. To be raised, this direction. Insert high voltage control board. Then take out the colored thread. head and tail can be used universally. Plug one end into high voltage control board. 2 raised faces up. Then the other end. Plug it into this interface of the Android version. Plug it into the interface of the touchpad. This side up. This side down. Plug it in this direction. The metal opening is inserted upward. Then the other end is slightly wider. Plug in Android version. Any of the 4 USB ports. Its direction is raised. Then this touch cable can be fixed. Then plug in the rest of the wire.